All right, assignment time. This time we're covering one of the most important topics of the section, filter flow. So we've just received a new email from Dana Modell, subject line, Larry's gone rogue. So Dana says, hey there, we've got another problem. Larry from sales just sent me this screenshot. I think he must have downloaded our Power BI model and messed with some relationships because I know we had sales for product 338. Can you help diagnose what's going on and prevent him from doing this again? Dana. P.S. Kevin says hi. So your objective here is to replicate Larry's matrix, shown here, to diagnose what the heck he must have done to the model to produce these values. And as part of that exercise, you need to figure out which product number 338 is and why Larry's matrix didn't show any orders for that particular product. And then objective number 2, we're going to hide any remaining foreign keys from our model to prevent other users from potentially making the same mistake. Good luck.